bank accounts, yung records na present ko po kanina, Mr. Chairman, tinignan namin na may mga pumasok
Secrecy
na
law.
manager's checks na in-encash nila, no?
Secrecy law.
The whole family, no? Ay galing kay Mr.
secrecy
Sami
law.
Uy. Tapos tinignan namin yung 6 months interval.
Mr. Chair, if the committee would like to hear first from the former president, I would indulge in that.
Alam mo, bawal yan to reveal a bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Ano mo ba yan? You make it public here. Hindi mo ba alam that I could
Soldier
charge you
versus
for that alone?
lawyer.
That single statement, I can
don't
send
think-
you to prison.
Soldier knows
I guarantee you.
about that law.
Hindi mo ba alam yan?
Wala ka.
Mr. Chair, if our